Hello there and welcome to AutoTweets. My name is Stephen Hall, I'm the creator of AutoTweets, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use this system to set up a completely automated business. Now, the really incredible thing is you can set up your business tonight, and from tomorrow morning, so when you get out of bed tomorrow morning, you will have an internet business that's going to provide you with a passive income for the rest of your life, and you never even have to think about it again. Now, there's a small disclaimer here. It's not completely passive. You're going to have to put a little bit of work in. But when I say a little bit of work, I really do mean little. It takes less than 1 minute per day. So it's 99.999% passive. You will need to invest 1 minute per day after tonight. What you're going to do tonight is going to take you a few hours, but after that, the system is almost passive. But I need to tell you a bit about the business. I also want to tell you a little bit about my history and where AutoTweets